Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Well, my viewers and subscribers on a real level, my people. You see on a Mobile side, my people. You see on a St. James side. I don't know what go on, my people, but the place turn up to rotted, Eh? So yesterday, which was Tuesday, May the 9th, 2023, my people, double murders go on under my people. And we tell us that today now, my people, on the 10th on the Wednesday, double murder plus different one round there, so plus other shoot. What really are go on? Eh? Something not right, my viewers and subscribers. Something is not right. And only Jah sees and he knows, my people. You understand? Something is not right. And I want to know what go on. So, my people, for the latest homicide, we're going down the today on the date now, my viewers and subscribers. See? And them said, this is one happening at the Freeport Police Division, my viewers and subscribers. Because them said two men was shot and killed in a place down there where them call them Caan district, my people. You understand? Ages of these men are 30 years old, my viewers and subscribers. And for the other one, them same in them early 20s, my people. Jah sees, Jah knows. But when you look on the picture, my people, and you see one of them, you understand? With that cliff there in the mouth kerchief round the neck, my people, and them eyes there, boy. Them see enough to judge about why the cover still in attacking boss, but I mean, I wish the dead partner one, my people, but boy, I wonder if the youth did a roll certain way and in a gang and this and then. You know what I mean? People sometimes, some people sow something, my people, and boy, them end up reap some things in my people and they end up cause certain things where them even lose them 3 points in my people and things go the other way and boy. Not a good look, my people, not a good look. Zane, so let me just read the local information when I get panic, my people, so I can get the real deal and the real info. You understand what them publicized pertaining to this incident we're going down there in a Caan district, my people. So let me just read it. Detectives attached to the Major Investigation Division and the Freeport Police Station in Montego Bay, St. James are probing an incident in which 2 men were shot and killed in Caan, Adelphi in St. James on Wednesday morning. One of the deceased has been identified as 30-year-old Andre Brown, otherwise called Poor Man. Both men were reportedly from Caan district. It is reported that at about 9:30 a.m., the men were sitting on a wooden bench in the vicinity of Caan Square when they were ambushed by 2 armed men on a motorcycle who opened fire, hitting them multiple times. One of the men died on the spot while the other was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Jah sees, Jah knows, my people. 2 of them gone. My viewers and my subscribers. Police are conducting their investigation into these killing, my people. But I'm telling you this, my people. You understand? Lot of the police, them know all of them something come off of my people. Them know and I just find the root or the head of it and get it, my people. So on both sides, when them look on it, them say, you know what I mean? Because them know what go on. People gang related. And only just season he knows. One thing I have to tell you, them say, youth, life is precious, life is great. You see the gang thing, on a real level, it just don't make no sense. We're not looking at the bigger picture. Because when you're in the gang thing, youths. You get me, I say, it's a thing you enter and you can't forward back out yourself. See? And you're doing the part that you become enemy to the whole thing. Maybe you get some nice money in it, some nice food and this and that. But why sense then 3 trees, I eat that, you're gone, left everything. You know what I mean? It just don't make no sense. If you're looking at the bigger picture, pretty deep, man. Life is there for living a youth. Travel the world, enjoy life. It may not happen today, you know. You know what I mean? But soon it can go on, you know. Just have faith and trust in the Almighty and work with the progress youth. You get what me I say? It just sad to see we younger youth them mislead. We understand how politics mash up the whole system, you know. You understand? And them pave a way where lot of, you know what I mean? Lot of we just confuse youth. But if we're looking at ourselves deep and we'll have firm meditation, we can't make them trick us youth. Because at the end of the day, them still a live. Them still a build them big mansion already. Them still a do this, still a do that. You understand? While we don't so youths and we are kill off each other. It just don't make no sense, my brothers. You understand? So, as youths and youths, we have to look in ourselves and looking at the bigger picture. You get what me I say? And it just sad to see our younger youth them are dead off like that, yo. It just sad. If we got that them set for we, you know, youth. If we not pray the thing, you know, them set it for it be that way there for we kill off each other. Cause so them make it more. You understand? When them pave the way, them give us the strap them for we turn enemies against our brothers and sisters. Remember, you know, the same set of youth that we used to go to school together, knock bench together and DJ together. And them set it now where we want to kill off each other youths. So we have a pray deep with understanding and get a firm meditation and see where we are going to do out of this. You understand? Them serve us and give us so much things. Bad things is smoke all of these things what they do it. You understand? And trick us and mislead us and corrupt our mind, youth, against each other. And then they come forward and talk about this and that, my youths. This is how they make them name. This is how them grow them business. Because if you check all of them business organization, you understand? And who support them more and more. Hey? Think about it. Think about it, youth. So we have to get smarter now and show them, so look at them, man. We're better than them, you know. We're smarter than them. We're not going to get misled by them, you know. Because by right, my brethren, we have to kill off each other, you know. If we look into it deep, you know. We can't look up beef and we look little disagreement. But when we come to want to beat it off of each other, like a Iraq with it, or a Baghdad with it, you know what I mean? Like we're in some war zone and some war territory. It make no sense, honestly. It make no sense. And if we look into it deep, my brethren, all of the youth them what we know from years and years and them dead and them gone. You ever hear one of them forward back and say, boy, you know, it's the dead road sweet door. Why go on up there? You know what I mean? And think about the life for their youth. When they could have a chill and a party and a relax and a beat up some catty, you understand, beach and a drink some Hennessy and we go link around this and go cook some food by the riverside, enjoy our life and I make it happen. You understand? But when we're dead, we're gone, youth. We need to start preserve our life. Because them are live as me show you. You don't notice that when them get all up and sick out and say them are dead. But we don't know, sir, at an early age of them pass through long time. And we are dead off, youth. And how we are dead? We are fight against each other. You understand? We are enemy against our own brothers. It just don't make no sense, me youth. And me not feel good to see our younger youth them mislead by these wicked people who set things that way for destroy each other. Because in the end of the day, them forward on the TV them and them act like so them care. But deep inside they don't care about us, youth. You understand? Them left us then aside in the ghetto and them set the ghetto for we can't move, for we can't elevate ourselves. Them set it that way there. You feel say if them did one, they could uplift we ghetto them and tear down the zinc fence and give a wall. You feel them could do it with the amount of money them got in the politics, they could have do it, youth. The gutter them were full of shit and sitting. You feel them could have cleaned them out. They could have, but them set it that way there. That's how them do it. You understand? Politics, they mislead us and them corrupt us. So them go forward and them talk about, oh this, oh that, and this and that, and deal with the youth them certain way. Youths, me understand. Let that una frustrated youth. Let that una not see now we have to go forward. That's so not pretty, no youth. Una not see now we have to go forward, you know. Let that una don't see now we have to go forward. Because how them set it, youth. That's why me I say una have to pray deep in the bigger picture. And so una have to do it, you know. Stay one side, burn a spliff and hold a firm meds and say, look ya, I trick them boy, I trick we, you know. You know, see a fool and take with her. Because when they do this to her, where them live? We don't say in the ghetto, in the zinc fences and the trenches them. Where them live up so. And then give we all of these things and put this big rifle in our hand. You understand? But them now come so and put 100 or 200 grand in our hand. But them going to put one strap in our hand with value 500 grand. We got kill off our brothers and sisters. And then we end up become an enemy to society. And then police one way, other gang member one way. Them kill off with family, with mothers and with sisters, with brothers. And then everything turn upside down. So them destroying the youth. We have to pray deep. You understand? Pray deep. Pray deep. Me understand that some youth they get caught up. But pray deep. Pray deep. Roll deep. Pray deep. My people, big up on yourself and I just say vibes of people. It just sad to see our youth them, you know what I mean, they just sad. Because I know where me I come from, my people. I know what I been through in a life, and I say, you hear me I talk, my people, a reality, and what I face in a life, and them inspire me when me can come teach the youth them and try to elevate them. If we can pull one or three of them through this whole process, we can't go pull everyone, but if we could get some of them to pull themselves out of these things and stop get misled by politics and these corrupted people who mislead the youth. Big up on yourself, my people. More love, more blessings, and more respect. You don't know one team, you know, one dream, you know, and a one scheme, and a one attacking boss. One and only NEWLINK, man. Stay safe and stay firm. Do the right thing. Peace out. Blessings. Attack.